So we started with the underarm turn with partner changes, which was rock, step, triple step, triple step, rock, step, triple step, rock, step, triple step, rock, step, triple step, rock, step, triple step, and rock, step, triple step, triple step. The next step that we did was the cuddle, followed by the cuddle and wheel. So I'm going to do the cuddle and then immediately do the cuddle and wheel. Actually, let me switch the orientation so that I'm facing the same direction that the gentleman has been facing all night. So the way that step goes is rock, step, triple step, and rock, step, triple step. Now the cuddle and wheel, rock, step, triple step, 1, 2, 3, 4, triple step, rock, step, triple step, triple step. Now goes rock, step, triple step, rock, step, triple step, back to back, 1, 2, triple step, triple step. Goes like this. It's rock, step, triple step, rock, step, triple step, triple step. After the the back spin. And the way that back spin went was it was rock, step, triple step. And from there we had this nice right to right hand hold, so as long as we were there we did he turns, she turns, and then turning her in either direction. The way that went was rock, step, triple step, rock, step, triple step, and rock, step, triple step, triple step. 6, 7, and rock, step, triple step, rock, step, triple step, triple step.